Hi guys, today we are working on a 1974 Cub Cadet 1000. We're taking the clutch out of it to do some repairs.
This tractor was in running condition when we brought it in, but a bearing had gone out in the clutch. One of the fun parts about working on a Cub Cadet clutch is that to access it, you have to take out the entire engine. The Cub Cadet 1000 was the 10 horsepower gear drive model in the Cub Cadet lineup, built from 1974 to 1979. Once we got the clutch out, we replaced the bearing and mended the bracket. Then the reassembly process could begin. The 7th series of IH Cub Cadets was affectionately dubbed the Quiet Line due to upgraded noise reduction features. Seven different models were available in the Quiet Line Cub Cadet series, ranging from 8 horsepower to 16 horsepower. While we had the engine out, we noticed that the motor mounts were badly worn, so we replaced them. This tractor has the optional creeper drive attachment, giving it 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse. Now the 1000 is as good as new.